Good evening everyone. Another Telegram airdrop mining app called Space Adventure. Actually, I don't know how this could be an airdrop because it claims that it can cash out in dollars in straight currency. See already actually USDT, but it's this almost the same value as the US dollar. So let's open it here from the Telegram group. Although this looks like a game, it's actually also time-based, like Time Ton. It needs some attention, but just much more often than Time Ton. Okay, here we have our daily activity visit promotion. You can watch the ad, or you can just collect the reward. Now, if you watch the ad, you will get double the reward. Okay, let's open the ad. It's just another airdrop mining app. Maybe also related to Ton here. Just have a look and wait for the counter to finish. In this case we don't have a counter. Normally the countdown timer is 10 seconds, so let's wait about 10 seconds. And then we'll just close it. Okay, that should be about that. Okay, looks successful. Here you can see all the days that promotions have been claimed. Every day it's a little bit higher until you get to day 31 and upward, and there you can see 5 bounty coins. Now they use bounty coins as well here. I think it's just enough to be able to transfer money to the app if you want to buy more coins or some performance object. Now we have this rocket that will need attention every once in a while. When you start, it will need more attention because, for instance, your fuel won't last that long. You have to upgrade all the time, and your shield will also be very vulnerable. You won't have many segments here. I think you start with 1 segment and then 2 and 3 and so forth for every upgrade. Now you can see there have been many upgrades here already. I think the field now stands at something like 480 minutes, so that can last about a good night's sleep. But the problem is the collection of coins that needs more attention than your fuel and your shield. It runs out very quick. At this moment I think it lasts about 40 minutes. Then you have to collect it, or it will just stop and there won't be any increase in your coins. And these coins, by the way, can be paid out directly to USDT. There is a conversion. Let's see what is the rate at the moment. There you can see the coin rate is 4,584.44 coins to $1. So that means we have about $10 here in value. It's go back to the payout section again. And see what options we have. There should be some USDT wallets there. You have that. You just have to be very careful which network you choose. I haven't tried this before, but it looks reliable. Some people had some good reviews about this. Unfortunately, many people have withdrawn money and the value dropped. It was something like 600 coins to $1 when I started. But I'm not gonna give up. I'll keep on mining. Now you can see the collected coins have reached the end. It's now full, so we have to collect it. Okay, so maybe around another 40 minutes and then it will be filled up again. Now let's look at the fuel. The fuel will drop eventually, just like the shield will get damaged by meteorite impact. Then we have to go to the shopping cart. Okay, there you can see you can fill up your fuel here with coins. This coins is just the coins you have here already. So you must be very careful that you always have enough coins here to pay. You can see there's 257. It's needed to fill up, or 3 bounty coins. Now you can earn bounty coins as well with the promotions, or you can fill up by paying ton. I'm not sure if it's ton, but anyway, you can pay and then fill up your bounty coins. I haven't done that before, it was never needed. And yeah, you can repair your shield with that amount. Now here's a new option. You can have your shield protected for 30 minutes extra, just for the next 30 minutes. And there could be an option to watch ads again instead of paying. So we would rather want to watch the ads every time. And here we have upgrades. The coin mining speed. Now this is my next milestone. I would like to upgrade with 63,000 coins. I will have to have that much in my collection total there at the top on the main screen. Still some time to go, and the capacity is basically just the time that for your collection to run full on that horizontal bar there, which is now about 40 minutes. Fuel tank capacity, basically the time it will take for your fuel to run dry. Shield strength, it will just add another segment or so that your shield will also last longer. Okay, this is just back to the refueling. We still have 200 minutes before we have to refuel. Maybe I have to set an alarm tonight, but that won't work because I will have to attend to the collection bin about 40 minutes, every 40 minutes. Now here we have some promotions. You can do some tasks here, earn bounty coins, or the can I say, the native coins. Okay, and you can select the source of the tasks. The company's own tasks are usually better paying. Okay, that's just the rewards part, I think. I don't think you have to do anything here, it's just statistics. If you win something here, I'm sure you will hear about it. Okay, back to the main screen. Press the rocket button. And here we have a fortune wheel. Let's see what we can win. You can pay, but better to wait for the add button to appear after the last spin. Let's see. Watch the ad. Okay, it's 15 seconds, not 10 seconds. Okay, let's spin that fortune wheel. See what we'll win. Okay, just one coin. That happens often. Sometimes you can win a tank of fuel or a total new shield, or sometimes 50 coins, 100 coins. Today at one spin I won 150 coins. It was great. And also at another stage a fuel tank full. Now if you press this again within 30 minutes, you can see there's no option for ads, so you'll have to wait again maybe a half an hour or more for the ad option to appear. Okay, I think that's about it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments. And if you would like to give it a go, I'd like to share my referral link. I'll see if I can get it and then just put it in the description. And thanks for watching, and best of luck if you try this.